Hi, Adam from Mercurial. I'm going to do a quick thing on feature branches. We're currently in this demo using Mercurial, and I'm going to show you how to do a feature branch. This is a basic HTML file, and this is a HG Workbench, a TortoiseHg for Mercurial, where we can see we have our repository. There are already some feature branches in here. There's a newsletter thing and a navigation, and we have our default branch, which I'm currently on and I've checked out. What we want to do here is do some basic HTML for the cart of like an e-commerce site. So that could be a cart. Show me the money. Div. And this is my initial work on the cart, so I'll go back to my source control, and I have a modified stamp on this index file. I'll then create a feature branch by doing like this. I'll go feature, I'll add a case number from my project management. This is just a fictitious one, so I'll do 1233 dash cart. That could be case outline, so there might be a lot of cases under this, but the main one is cart. And I'll add that. Good. I can now check in on the feature branch. So I'll do case 1233 initial new initial HTML for cart, and I'll commit just a minute. It's out there. Commit. And I will now create a new branch. Yes. So I now have my feature branch, and it's called cart, and I've checked in my cart HTML, as you can see. I'm now working on the cart branch that I just created, so I can continue to do some more stuff. That could be it could be cart cart or something. That's an A. I'll save that. I can do a check-in on this stuff as well. That would be edit the cart link. Yeah. So now I'm working on this feature branch. I could then say, okay, now I want to do some content as well, and I could do that in another branch. But working on this, I can still go back to the default branch by checking that out and working on that if I wanted to. But right now, I would just like to merge back my feature branch. Oh, no more power. Merge back my feature branch. So what I do is I'm on the default branch. I've been working in the cart, and I want to take it back into the main project. So I'll go merge with local. Note that I've checked out the default branch because that's now local, so that's what I'm merging with. I'll merge. It says merge the feature branch cart with default, and I'll press next. And I'll merge. Choose this default commit message. Yes, and I'm finished. I have now merged the cart into default. I'm working on default. So that's basically it. If we look further down, you can see the other merges as again where you follow it and track it back in. So the whole idea is that you work on features instead of just one big pile of default branch muckiness. So when you are done with the feature, you check it back into the default branch. So yeah, I guess that's more or less it.